Now we're going to discuss about the scalar triple product. By seeing the heading or by seeing the name scalar triple product, what do you guys understand? Triple matlab three, right? So we're gonna product, matlab we're gonna multiply three vectors. Scalar, the output will be a scalar quantity. So let's get into it. So this product is also known as the box product. Why? Because this product is denoted as box A, B, C, where A, B, C are the three vectors. So that's the reason it's called as box product. And make sure there are no commas in between. Okay. So here let A, B, and C be three vectors. So then we'll write it as box product, that is ABC is written as A dot B cross C. This is how we calculate the scalar triple product. In the Cartesian form, A vector is represented like this, and B is like this, and C is represented like this. So, how do we calculate the box product? So, to calculate the box product, first we need to do the cross product of B cross C, which is nothing but determinant, right? I, J, K, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. So now we should do the dot product with A vector. So when you do that, you will get it in this way. A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, and C1, C2, C3. Now take the determinant of this thing. So finally, the output you're gonna get is a scalar quantity because we don't have any unit vectors like I cap, j cap, or k cap. This is the reason the final product will be a scalar quantity and hence it is called as a scalar triple product.